Business owners, if you're watching this, don't make these mistakes when you're actually creating a landing page around your offer. I want to take you through our specific landing page for a specific offer that 24/8 marketing agency in Sydney has created for our own self to promote ourselves and get more clients for Black Friday, because Black Friday is just around the corner. So, my name is Neil. I'm the owner of an agency based in Sydney called 24/8. I have almost a decade of experience in marketing. I've worked with a number of different startups, small, medium-sized businesses, managed millions of dollars in ad spend, and I'm learned some very extremely difficult lessons in my career, and I've made all the mistakes that you can think a person can make when it comes to marketing campaigns. And I'm here to tell you and hopefully save you some time. So watch till the end, because I'm going to break down our exact process of how our agency actually creates a landing page around a specific offer, some of the things that are included in that. And if you hopefully you get some value out of that. So we want to jump into Loom and let's see you there. Hey guys, so we're here on our landing page for 24/8, the agency. We're running a very specific service. Black Friday is just around the corner, and we want to attract some new clients. And this is the offer and landing page we're going to go ahead with. So there are a certain specific number of sections with very specific ideas behind them, and I just wanted to share those with you, what they are, how they look like, etc. So let's dive in. So starting with the top already, you can see calling all lifestyle entrepreneurs. So before the page even starts, we have already tried to qualify and attract and eliminate people who fit our target audience and who don't fit our target audience. So that's why we got calling all lifestyle entrepreneurs. Make this your biggest Black Friday ever. A very clear offer statement, tailored offers, high converting ads, and ready to launch pages at your fingertips. So making the offer very, very easy for anyone that lands here to understand. So we're going to make it very easy for them to make it their biggest Black Friday event ever. This is targeting lifestyle businesses. So if you're a lifestyle business and you land here, this statement is gonna get you excited straight away. Then we added a line there, limited spots available. That's gonna create a bit of scarcity, because it's true that we only work with certain number of clients at a given time to make sure that we are maintaining the highest quality possible. And then countdown to Black Friday, that's going to create some urgency there. So people know that Black Friday is just around the corner, and that's going to help people to jump in here and take action. The next thing is adding social proof. So these are logos of the clients that we work with. That's going to tell people that we're not just any random person off the street. We actually have a credible business here and have worked with all these different businesses. The next thing is actually explaining what the process is. So it is basically simply explained in a couple of lines per point. So how we do what we do. So the first thing is we create an amazing offer for your business, create an amazing landing page, and then drive traffic to that landing page. Because as you know, if you don't have a specific offer, you are not going to be able to attract that specific target audience that you have in mind, because you're not being able to marry it to the value proposition of your business. And then we've got a strong call to action here, book a call now, straight away, asking people to book it straight right there and then. Then we've added another social proof carousel there, because people are familiar with these brand names, and these are the platforms that we use for our advertising, so we've added those in there. Now we want to differentiate ourselves from the rest of the agencies that also, there's over 5,000 marketing agencies here in Australia alone, so everyone's going after the same slice of the pie. So how do you differentiate yourself? How do you stand out in a noisy market, in a noisy world? The way you do that is you drill down into every single pain point that your target audience has, and you solve each of those points, then you become a bit different because you have understood the problems of the target audience. In this case, how we're going to do that is we have identified 5 or 6 different problems that most lifestyle brands make, and we're saying them, don't make these mistakes. We explain each one of them and then really hit their pain point, saying stop burning your advertising dollars, book a call now. So this is really a very strong message that we want to show to our target audience. Now, immediately people will think, oh, will this work for me? Will this not work? We're trying to eliminate risk here for them. If we don't succeed, we'll work with you for free till we succeed. And that's where we had a satisfaction guarantee, because we know that in the past, all our clients have been 100% satisfied, and no one's, not been satisfied with the level of service that we have. We then add 2 testimonials, some really good testimonials of our clients that have taken the time to write some amazing things about highlighting some of the key points as well. Very good returns on marketing spend. Highly recommend working with 24/8. This is going to make the testimonials stand out as well. Now, going back to this section, as you know that we've identified each of the problem that a lifestyle business might make, and then we've gone ahead and then solved each of these problems. Subconsciously, it's going to be like, wow, this agency really understands what my problems are and how we have solved that. And through this process as well, we are building more trust with the visitors that have landed on this page. So I think that's pretty cool, because we are handling all the objections that typically occur in a sales process right up front through our copywriting itself. So that way, when people do book a call with us, most of their objections, hopefully, are handled already, and that increases the probability that they will actually book a call with us. Building more social proof, because you can't have enough of that. So we're trained by world-class organizations. We have certifications from Google, CXL, got a master's degree from University of Sydney. So it's important to leverage all your strengths and put it out there. Then what we have is we've got FAQs. So again, there's a very specific way of writing FAQs where the most common questions that you might get asked on a sales call are already answered here. It's very clean, neat, no clutter. Answer the questions, reduce the number of objections people have. Again, hit them with a strong call to action, and finally, a calendar booking where people can jump in and book a call, free 15-minute success call with us. So that concludes the format of the landing page. So a couple of things here I want to point out. Clear landing page offer statement, which qualifies the buyers. Also, you can write an amazing headline. If you want to know how to write better headlines, I'll make a video on that sometime in the future as well. Adding scarcity, urgency, strong call to action, a lot of social proof, simple, understandable process, more social proof, hitting the pain points of the target audience, and another call to action, adding some sort of a guarantee, building more social proof through testimonials, answering and solving the main problems that most businesses have when they work with a marketing agency, and their pain points, more social proof, reducing their number of objections by specifically written FAQs, and finally the booking link where they can jump on a call with you. So this is our framework on how we create a landing page. We focus on making it very accessible, basic, but high quality. because as long as you have it at a high quality, it's gonna work pretty well. So I hope you got some value out of this, and let's see you. Boom. So thanks so much for taking the time and jumping on this video. We really appreciate it. If you like this kind of video, make sure you leave a comment below. Tell us what you thought of our landing page process. If you think we missed something, make sure you can give us some constructive feedback. We're always looking for that, always looking to get better. If you want to see more videos about how we write headlines, ads, some of the best practices that we use that have generated our clients hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue, do stick around, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for stopping by.